Woo! What's up guys, I'm back at Rocky Knob Bike Park. Trails have had a few days to dry out since last time I was here, so I'm going to try to hit every DH trail and every jump line and the pump track back here. So let's see how it goes. Quick break on the climb to bring this massive frog to the channel. Sup buddy? I guess I'm just a wildlife photographer today, but if you can see, got a little deer family. All right, made it to the top. First climb of the day. It was about 3.5 miles. Took me 45-ish minutes, but that's with a lot of stopping and not knowing where to go. So this is what the top looks like. Probably showed it in my last video, but I'm gonna start off with what is this thing called? Jumbo Shrimp Trail. It's a blue, it's a downhill only. I think it's gonna be a great way to warm up. Boom, the start of Jumbo Shrimp Trail. Here we go. First downhill only trail of the day. Some tight switchbacks. Little trail. Oh, this is kind of cool. Definitely lives up to its name as Rocky Knob Park. Oh, sick. A little skid action. That's so cool. Woo! This is a great little flow trail. Switchbacks are a little tight, but good nonetheless. Okay, sick. All right. So this is called Basic Shrimp Roll. I have gearing. No clue what it's gonna be, but it sounds like fun. She's steep. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, once you get into that, there's no stopping. Off camber. Nice. Little rock garden. Woo! Love these. Nice. Little rock garden action again. Sheesh. All right, here we go. PBJ Trail. Starts off with a nice little drop. Woo! Get some good air on that one. And then I lost all my speed because I was stupid. That's okay. Woo! Nice. I do remember that from last time. That's funny. That one got me last time. I almost went over the bars. Sheesh. Not gonna lie, I'm struggling to carry speed again. Jeez. We're just gonna pump this one. There we go, that one's easy. And that is pretty much it. KBJ. Second climb of the day. I think I'm at like 1,500 feet of climbing, which is not bad. Switched for the clear goggles. It's a little overcast today, and I'm gonna try to hit Black Forest, the only double black on the mountain, so let's see how it goes. Starts off with this little log ride. Oh yeah. Once you do that little climb, grab a bunch of gears. Oh, we cased it. Hopefully my wheel's okay. Woo, yeah, she's steep. Oh, come on. Holy, that is not how you should do drops, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully my camera's still good. There we go. I think that's actually a more difficult line, but whatever. First time ever doing this trail. Jeez. Can definitely see where it gets its double black rating. It's steep. I don't know if it's picking up on camera. There's a lot of those little optional drops, but seeing as I cased the absolute snot out of the first drop, and I'm down 2 spokes. Oh, hello, stick. Okay, I'm glad that was rollable. Oh! Once again, didn't really drop something that well. Literally hit my chest on my seat. So just for an idea of the steepness here, just punishing my rear wheel today. I just clobbered a root. Stone soup. I remember. Yeah. Stone Soup could be the name of this whole place. No joke. This one's down to a single black. Nice, that's what I'm talking about. Whew. Jeez. They are not kidding about the Stone Soupiness. I don't even really know where I'm going. Oh gosh, worm! Oh, saved me. Oh! Oh yeah, these trucks are sick. Woo!